Well, all things come to an end. And today, my relationship with AMD has done just that. We're done. Me and AMD, we're breaking up. We're done. Finigo, finished, out of here. I will no longer be an AMD user after today. Let's see why. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. Today we are going to be telling AMD to hit the bricks. We're breaking up, we're done, we're finito, finished. It's over between us. And there's a couple different reasons why. One of the more reasons that I was pushed to this decision to tell AMD that we're no longer going to be using you was one of the issues that they were having with their USBs, where the X570s and B550 boards were having issues where USB ports were just dying out of nowhere. And it was causing a little bit more other issues with my system, and I talked about it in a previous video where I quit PC gaming because, well, I was dealing with game crashes and all sorts of other stuff, and this kind of just a compiling issue. And this is something that AMD was not able to fix for a very long time and really didn't even acknowledge. Maybe you've seen this before, maybe you haven't, but it was something that I continued to deal with, continued to struggle with, and I kind of got fed up with it. And well, this new CPU came along, the 13900K. I thought it was a good time. It was a good time to say goodbye to AMD, and I'm probably never going to use them again. So guys, today we are going to be upgrading to DDR5, moving over to Intel, and we're gonna make some changes around the studio. Make it look a little different. Spruce it up. Try to get back into it, you know? Try to get back into the mood, trying to do what we do. So let's do that. It's been a while. Graphics card removed. It doesn't look like there's going to be any shortcuts. Oh man. Get our hand out to we're done. The cleaning coming. Perfect square on this motherfucker. She survives. Time to take out the motherboard. Ta-da! All parts have been returned. We can now put in the new stuff. Oh yeah. Made with real bits of Panther, so you know it's good. Doohickeys on this thing. And not too. This thing better not even think about getting hot. It's got this little heat pipe that's coming out, this big old heat sink, a thermal pad on the opposite side. This thing's for real. Here better be taken care of, better than it's ever been taken care of. Nice, I like it. Oh, okay. thing was ready to jump out the seats on us. Should just be like that. Man, got us some Dominator. Match up pins. Let us slide back inside. We need that. Some thermal grizzly. Quick update for how this has all gone so far for the switch to Intel. I had to update the BIOS, should have seen that coming, that's fine. Did that, couldn't get display, had to take out all my drives, and then I had to unplug all the USBs, and then finally switching from DisplayPort to HDMI, I got some. Now I have to update all the drivers on the board and then update the display ID on my GPU so my DisplayPort will work properly. So you know, it's great. We're in here, we're doing things, hopefully. Okay, everything's together, it's working, I think it looks good. Let's do some montage stuff. So there it is. I think it's completely over the top, to be honest, but I think it looks good. Do I need this much real estate? Do I need this many screens? I don't. There's no good reason. You don't either. But you know what? If it looks good, makes you happy, screw it. I like it. I think it looks good. If you guys think I should do something different, you don't like it, let me know why in the comments. My kids are screaming in the background. Maybe you can hear them. Probably, you know.